Board of Directors meetings are a very powerful way to communicate and resolve association issues. It is important to remember that a board meeting is a legal proceeding and must be conducted as such. Thus, this is what makes an efficient board and proper board meeting so important to the operation of a homeowners association. An association's board of directors is confronted with an array of issues that must be resolved in a timely manner. A board is charged with what can be the problematical task of obtaining a majority consensus among the other board members. The following points are essential for ensuring a productive and successful board meeting. Number one, the agenda. Have a clear and specific written agenda. There are generic or stock agendas that are better than none, but these types of agendas only help control the order of the meeting. Being clear and specific on an agenda means, instead of a discussion about general maintenance, the discussion should read pool liner replacement. Number two, pre-distribution. If possible, have the agenda prepared and distributed before the meeting. Early distribution will help board members prepare for the meeting in advance and will improve discussions. When board members can organize their thoughts beforehand about the agenda items, meetings are more efficient and more can be achieved. Number three, follow the agenda. While having a clear and specific agenda is important, not deviating from it is probably more important. Chasing rabbits can be one of the most detrimental aspects of running a board meeting. Attempting to deal with a non-agenda item, the board will, in many instances, be unprepared to properly discuss the item and thus cannot make an informed decision. Number four, limit the agenda. Try to stick to three major issues. By limiting the agenda to three issues, for example, three major issues that require more than 10 minutes of discussion, will allow for proper and thoughtful consideration. Number five, establish a time limit. Set a meeting end time. Most board meetings should be concluded in an hour and a half. Longer meetings have a tendency to be less productive. The meeting chair will be forced to become more efficient if the meeting has a set end time, and the members will be required to become more focused. When the meeting end time has arrived, simply end the meeting. If every agenda item has not been addressed, add these items to the next meeting agenda, and eventually everything will be addressed. Number six, follow Robert's Rules of Order. Motions and voting are vital to conducting an efficient and legal board meeting. The other benefit of following Robert's rules, besides the legality and the efficiency that is created, is the civility and politeness that results. When Robert's rules are used effectively, generally, there is a reverence for other points of view. This reverence helps to facilitate a better understanding and fosters a spirit of cooperation. Number seven, have a spirit of cooperation. This can be achieved by singling out one aspect that makes the board of directors function properly. The spirit of cooperation is led by each member having the best interests of the association at heart, who wish to work towards a common goal of improving the association. Working towards a common goal should be the ultimate standard for every board member.